Guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do kind of a comparison video. I know we always hear the terms shingling and the raking method when it comes to washing goes, but I figured some of you guys may or may not know what those exact terms mean. So today I'll be showing you guys both methods, both the shingling method and also the raking method, and I'll show you guys how to do them and what results you get doing each technique. I am working with freshly washed hair. I just co-washed, so I'm ready to style my hair now. I'll be doing the shingling method on one side and then the raking method on this side. And the products that I'll be using for today is the new Male Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection. I'll be using their curl smoothie, the leave-in conditioner, and the curling custard for my wash and go. And then also to seal in the moisture, I'll be using the Male Organics Mint Almond Oil. You guys already know it's my favorite, so I'll be using this to seal in all of that moisture. So my hair is split evenly down the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and just section off this section here, which will be my shingling section. So first I'm gonna take the leave-in conditioner and apply that all throughout the section of hair. Alright, next I'm going to take the mint almond oil and apply that over the leave-in conditioner to help seal in that moisture. Next, I'll be taking a little bit, just a little bit of the curl smoothie and putting that all over the section of hair. Now it is time to go into the raking method using the curling custard. So first, I'm going to take like a third of the section of hair, put the rest of the hair up and clip that away, and just focus on this section here. I'm going to take about this much of product, about that much product, and rake it through my hair. I apply it all over first, and now I start to rake, which means I take my fingers and just rake the product through my hair. And if I need to add more curling custard, I will throughout the process, but this is pretty much the basis of how raking works. And once all of your curls feels coated in the curling custard, then you are good to go with that section. So that's my first section there. I have finished the raking side and this is how it looks. Super fast and didn't take much effort or energy at all. So yeah, these are my curls. Now it's time to move on to the shingling side, which is the more time-consuming side, but it's worth it sometimes. So let me go ahead and spritz some more water. I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did to this side of my hair when it comes to applying the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and then the curling smoothie. So let me do that first, and then I will show you guys how to do the shingling method. I am done applying my leave-in, my oil, and my cream. So again, I'll be using the curling custard. And to do this, I have to work in like really small sections because that's how I get the most definition. I am going to put pretty much almost all of the section of hair and just save that little bit back here. You guys see that? I just have this much hair out. So I'm going to take about this much curling custard, apply that to the very small section of hair, and then begin to shingle. All shingling means is to just smooth the product through each strand of hair. So you're pretty much going curl by curl and smoothing the product on each curl. So like this, I'll take this piece of hair, smooth it through. Like that. Take this piece of hair, smooth it through. Take this piece of hair, right here, smooth it through. And you just keep doing that all throughout your hair. So take this piece of hair, smooth it through. Take this piece of hair, smooth it. This piece of hair, smooth it. This piece of hair, smooth it. And that is how this small section of hair looks after doing the shingling method. And this is how my curls are looking. Here is a back shot of how my hair is looking. This is the raking method, and this is the shingling method. Now I will go ahead and let my hair air dry for a few hours because I want you guys to get the full picture of how my curls held up doing both methods. You can only do that whenever you guys see my hair dried. So I'm about to go ahead and let my hair 100% air dry, and then I'll come back and give you guys my thoughts, my opinions, and just show you guys how my curls look on both sides. All right, you guys, so I am back and my hair is 100% air dried, and this is how my curls are looking without doing any fluffing, any picking, any of that stuff. This is how my hair looks just as is. The first thing that I realized is that the raking method, which is this side over here, dried with much more volume, so my hair is already starting to kind of form in its natural shape. There's a lot of length to it, and there's more elongation in comparison to this side, which is way more flat. It's like flat on my head and there's not much volume or body to it, and my curls are also much more shrunken. So yeah, the curls are like super shrunken on this side. If y'all can see that, my curls are super duper coily on this side. So that's kind of how my curls form whenever I do the shingling method. My curls just naturally kind of go into a tighter coil in comparison to this side where the curls are a lot looser. If y'all can see that. I also realized that there is more frizz on this side, especially in the back. On this side, which is the raking side, I have more frizz going on back here. Not a lot or anything, because the products that I use work really well for natural hair. So there are some pieces that are kind of like clumped together but kind of still frizzy. So that's like one of the only downfalls about doing the raking method is the frizz. There is no frizz on this side here, which is the shingling method. you guys can see that there is like literally no frizz. It's just curls, 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 and more curls. So I just love the definition that I get from this method. Like, it is the bomb.com. I love both methods. I love to do my raking method and also the shingling method. I typically lean towards the raking method because I have very little time to do a wash and go, but whenever I want my wash and goes to really last, like whenever I have an event, whenever I'm traveling, I always do the shingling method because I know for a fact that my hair will last me a very long time, and it always does. It never fails me. I can get at least a week wash and go out of doing the shingling method, so I pretty much go to those whenever I want a long lasting wash and go. But on an everyday basis, I pretty much always do the raking method because it's faster, and I personally don't mind frizz, so I just go for it on an everyday basis. Let me go ahead and style my hair really quick. I'm not feeling how like my hair is right now, so I will be going in and picking my hair out. And also my curls do clump a little bit more whenever I shingle my hair. So I need to go in and separate my curls some because right now my curls are like stuck together, and I want for it to be more volume and more, you know, just more body to it. Comment down below what your favorite method is for a wash and go. Is it the raking side or is it the shingling side? Comment your preference down below because I definitely want to hear what you guys love to do the most. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you guys did, definitely give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, you guys, y'all know I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.